Alright. Greetings, season greetings to everybody. This is another Drew's Music Corner edition video. Today, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to play a Christmas song that you probably hear every year since the 60s, since the Charlie Brown Christmas, where the script was written by, or the soundtrack was written by Vince Guaraldi. And the song I'm referring to is the famous Linus and Lucy. Vince Guaraldi was the piano player, so this is going to be the piano part on the guitar. So all you haters out there, bring it. Anyway, I got this music. I think it's the original copyrighted stuff, so forgive me if I'm not speaking incorrectly here. I always played it, I think, in C on the piano just because it's easier, but here on the guitar, it's going to be in the key of A. So, strap on your boots, people, because A, as we know, is... How many sharps do we got? We got 3 sharps in the key of A, so be on the lookout for some of that kind of stuff. So, let's take our basic open A chord to get things started here. Open A string, which is our 2nd string from the top up here. 2nd fret, E note, 2nd fret, A note, 2nd fret, C sharp note. Anyway, here we go, the beginning of it. Well, first let me play it, right, so you can hear it. Right? We know that song, right? So let's start it. Let's break it down. I think this is a lot easier than a lot of tunes are, and so this is going to be easy and quick to learn, right? So starting with our A, right? I'm just going A, E, A, A, E, A, A, E, A, E, A, E. And then you do that twice, then you're going to go... You're going to hammer on from 2nd fret E note on the D string to the 4th note F sharp on the D string. Super easy, right? Like if you guys know your fiddle tunes and stuff, we're doing that a lot. Anyway, let's get to the lead part. So, trying to do this without getting too complicated here. Let's take our A chord from further up the guitar neck. Here I've got a bar chord where I've barred up the 5th fret, so my frets are going 5, 7, 7, 6, 5, 5. But we're only going to be playing 2 notes out of all of those. I've got an A here and the C sharp right here. So that's the 5th fret on the E string and the 6th fret on the G string, right? And then we're going to go up to a B minor. Well, I'm not even going to do that to you. So we're going to go 7th fret on the E string, 9th fret. So it's... Now that part, hold on, let's get this other part down first. We've got the beginning. Now I'm fretting all the notes of the A chord. Right there. And then just playing that 7th fret on the E string and then 9th fret. Going to a C chord, right? This is an 8th fret on the E string, 10th fret on the B string, open E string, and then you're going to use your pinky here and play the 12th fret on the B string. I'm not using this finger, so don't pay attention to that one. I'm using my middle finger here. And then here it's going 8, 10 to 12. So he's just going from A to A major to C major. Which is, as you know, that's jazz chord stuff. Anyway, the next part, the da-da-da-dum. What is it? So you can jam with your friends. It's just an A, right? Just A, 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 Right, I was gonna say that other part, right? So then the other part, the da 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 da, is just this is a D chord. So it's a D7, I guess. Hold on, let's make sure we get this right. So it's just a D major to an E major, which, if you know our theory, are the 4th and 5th of the key to A. So then, okay, we got D, 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 E. And we're going from the 5th fret to the 7th fret, and then holding down the A 5th fret on the E string. Back to the A. Now the break, I'll save that for another video. We're not doing that one today. I don't know the break too well. It does a chromatic walk, kind of bounces, just fluctuates a little bit. But I haven't really gone over it much. I was flipping through songs tonight trying to figure out which one I was going to show you guys. And I went with that one because I felt like I knew it well enough that I wouldn't have to look at it in a book, and I could play it for you. So happy jamming, Merry Christmas. I hope you enjoyed this quick little lesson. Remember, it's just A and C. Those are the same notes. So you just got to get creative with it. So yeah, I hope that was cool enough for you. I kept it under 10 minutes. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos of me playing this cool Mexican guitar with holes in weird places and stuff. And always remember to choose your own adventure and ride the wave.